Good morning, good morning, good morning, Dominica. Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Cooperative Voice. I am your host, Lilia Samuel Benjamin, and it is a pleasure to be with you guys this morning. This morning is Tuesday, so you know what Tuesday is. It's MLAS Tuesday, it's the Cooperative Voice, and we are continuing along with our theme of financial well-being for 2023. When we come back, we will be speaking with the General Manager of the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union, who have some exciting news on how you can get a Carnival loan. Stick with us, we will be right back.
L'argent, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. Send me money. No more hassle. M l'argent, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. M l'argent, it's safe and secure. M l'argent. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. M l'argent. It's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union Movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, M l'argent. Top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free. M l'argent. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. No more M l'argent. Download the M l'argent app today. See your credit union for more details. M l'argent, your mobile payment solution. M l'argent.
Welcome back to listeners of Q95 Radio. Welcome to the persons viewing us on our social media pages, persons on M News. Good morning and welcome. This morning I have a special guest with me. I have the representatives of the Marigot Cooperative Youth Credit Union, or the General Manager, Mr. Reginald Robin. Good morning, Mr. Robin. How are you this morning? How is everything in Marigot this morning?
Good morning. I am fine. Marigot is present. Good morning to our listeners on Q95 and the other media houses that are listening to us from the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union Limited.
Great. So Carnival is in the air. Everywhere we go, everywhere we look, we see Carnival is in the air. And the Marigot Credit Union is not to be left behind. So you're offering a Carnival loan. Tell the listeners on the radio station about the Marigot Credit Union Carnival loan. So I think you can get up to $5,000. So members of Marigot, if you're a member of the Marigot Credit Union, you can participate. So Mr. Robbins, tell the listeners about the loan.
Okay. Our Carnival loan is a seasonal promotional loan, like any other season, Christmas, for example, back to school, etc. But we understand how important Carnival is to us in Dominica, so we have this special loan available to our members. It's available to all members who have the means of, paying back for the loan in a reasonable time. You don't need security on that particular loan. It's between the months of January, from January 25th goes right up to February the 17th, just before Carnival. Okay, so the loan is from a minimum of $1,000 to a maximum of $5,000. Okay,
so Mr. Robin, any of the Marigot members want to walk inside and say, hey, I want to apply for that loan. Do they have to say exactly what they need the loan for? Do they need to say, or is the loan specific? Can they use it for costume band? Can they use it for events? Or if they're a small business owner and they want to set up something by the roadside, do they have to say what they're using the money for?
It is given as a Carnival loan, so they don't really need to say what they need it for. It's a Carnival loan,
So
and
any activity.
anything that is related to Carnival, they can
Perfect.
they, they can use that loan. So, for example, they can
Mm,
use it to stock up their bars. They can use it to buy a fridge to store the things for Carnival. Whatever is related to Carnival, they can use
yes.
that loan to
Oh,
facilitate.
so- all right. Any carnival activity. So you heard it here first. If you are a member of the Marigot Credit Union, now is an opportune time to take advantage of the credit union loan. So, Mr. Robin, if somebody sign up for the loan online, or do they have to come into the office physically?
They have to come into the office to sign up for the loan. We don't we haven't as yet got our online service going because we are putting in a new system, and
Okay.
at this point in time, they would have to come into the office to sign up for the loan.
Okay, perfect. So if somebody wants to set an appointment before they come in, what is the extension that they should call?
They can call two two six 265
Mm-hmm.
3871.
265-3871. So that is
That's
to
a
book an
direct line
appointment.
to
Mhm.
facilitate that loan.
Okay, perfect. So you just call that number 265-3871 and say, hey, I'm interested in getting the carnival loan. I'd like to book an appointment. So we're making it as simple and easy as possible for persons to participate in the carnival loan. So if you are a member of the credit union, the Marigot Credit Union, take advantage. If you are not a member of the Marigot Credit Union, you are missing out on so much. So you need to be a member. You need to walk into Marigot and any of their branches. Mr. Robin, what are the branches that persons can walk into for Marigot Credit Union?
They can walk into our head office branch, which is located at Where's Marigot. They can walk into our branch at Wesley, that is open on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. They can walk in our branch at Woodford Hill, which is open on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. And they can also walk into our branch at Karibishi, that is open from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Perfect. So our listeners, I hope
Four
you heard that.
branches.
Marigot Credit Union, they have the offices available. So wherever you are, you need to go into the Marigot Credit Union, any of their branches, and say, hey, I am interested in that carnival loan. If you're not a member, as I said, now is an opportune time to become a member. Also, we're talking about another product today as well, called the member retirement account. If you are a member of any credit union, I believe that you have heard of this service. If you have not heard of this service, then perfect. Now is the opportunity. So, Mr. Robin, speak to the listeners of Q95 and MO News and all our social media pages about the member retirement account.
Okay, this member retirement account um, is only available at Marigot Credit Union at the moment, and I think National Credit Union. But Marigot Cooperative Credit Union, we get our membership from 18 years of age to 55 years of age. Okay, you can open your members retirement savings account with as little as $1,000. You have the opportunity to save an amount of up to $10,000 on the threshold. You can save $1,000 per month maximum every month, but it doesn't matter how you can see from 100 to 1,000 every month. Okay, we are offering the best interest rate on island. It is at a 4.5% interest rate per annum on the compound level and compound. So, for example, if you put in $10,000 on the threshold, which is the maximum, and you save $1,000 a month, which is also the maximum monthly savings. At the end of the year, whatever that amount is, let us say $24,000, you get 4.5% on that. Then it is rolled over. So you have your savings plus that 4.5% added to it, and to roll over into the next year, and the process
Mhm.
continue.
Okay, great. Great. So what do a member need? Just walk in and say, if they're already a member, I want to open an MRA account. Do they need any specific information?
Well, yes, there's a simple form to be filled out, but once you're already a member, you don't have to go through a long process anymore. It is a simple form to fill out and to sign it to say that, yes, I am a member of this particular area of your institution.
Okay, great. So members who do not have an MRA account at the MCCU, you need to go in and walk in and say, hey, I want to sign up for the MRA account. So while we're talking about members, what about the non-members? We're trying to encourage, as I've said, 2023 is the year of the credit union. So 2023, we're encouraging everyone to become a member of a credit union. A credit union is a family, and we believe in this at the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union. So we're encouraging persons who are not yet members. And if you're not a member, that is very strange because most Dominicans are members of the credit union, but we're encouraging everyone to become a member. So, Mr. Robin, if somebody has to become a member of MCCU, what do they need? What is required?
Okay, I have here with me our secretary who is responsible for the onboarding of members. So she's Mrs. Karine Pascal. I'm going to let her introduce herself and to
Okay,
explain to our listeners the process of becoming a member of the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union Limited.
perfect. Good morning, Mrs. Pascal, and welcome.
Hi, good morning. Thank you for welcoming me. Um, I am the administrative assistant for Marigot Cooperative Credit Union. We also
Mm-hmm.
have a member relations representative who will assist with the onboarding process to make it
Okay.
quicker. But for the opening of an account, you would need a valid ID and a
Mm-hmm.
proof of address. The proof of address can be more than 6 months old, and this includes a utility bill, driver's license. It can also include a letter from your local council, a lease, and you can also get a letter from your bank, your a bank reference,
Okay.
and you can use that to open the account. It's not much, and
Mm-hmm.
it's very an easy process.
Okay. What is the fee associated with opening an MCCU member account?
Okay, for opening that account, the fees would be you would have to purchase a share. We
Mm-hmm.
have a service charge of $10. The share is $50. Entry fee of 25 cents, and the passbook is $3. So that's a total of 63.25, and you must save $20 or more on that account. So you can walk in with
Perfect.
$100 and have the account open.
Great. So it is very simple and easy to become a member of the
Yes.
Marigot Cooperative Credit Union. What about persons who are under the age of 15 and would like to become members? So a parent has a newborn. Do you guys have a young savers club or is there a young savers account?
Yes, the parents can open the account for the child. It
Mm-hmm.
goes up to 16 years. So as soon as they reach 16 years, they will have access to that account. But for the parents to open the account, they would still have to bring their valid ID, proof of address. If they don't have an ID for the child as yet, a passport, they can bring a big
Mm-hmm.
photo together
Okay.
with the birth paper.
Perfect. So
Yes.
we're encouraging everyone who are not members of Marigot Cooperative, you need to join because it is easy and simple. And if you are a member and you have young children under the age of 15, now is an opportunity so they can have a young savers account. All
Yes.
right. Thank you very much, Mrs. Pascal, for that information. So you heard it here, listeners. We're encouraging persons to become members of the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union. We're encouraging the members, the existing members, to take advantage of this special Carnival promotion. I know Marigot have a large portfolio of services that they offer. You can get different loans. So if you're not interested in the Carnival loan, but you're looking for fishing loan, housing loan, whatever it is, give them a call, reach out to them, and I'm sure they would be glad to assist you. So, Mr. Robin, if you can just repeat one more time the contact numbers for Marigot Cooperative as well as your social media handles.
Okay. Um, as said before, our contact number is 265-3871. You can also contact us on 445-7155 or
Mm-hmm.
445-7166. These are our regular numbers.
Okay.
And you can
So, if
contact us on
somebody, what about a WhatsApp number? Is it 265 on the WhatsApp number? If somebody just wants to send a quick message?
the 265. The WhatsApp number is the
Mm-hmm.
265-3871.
3871. So if you have
Yeah.
a question or concern, 265-3871, send them a WhatsApp message or give them a call. You can also follow them on their social media pages. You can simply look for Marigot Cooperative Credit Union Limited and you can follow them there. Mr. Robin, time is upon us.
Let
It
me
has been
also
a
say to our
pleasure.
listeners, let me also say to
Hmm.
our listeners, our catchment area is from
Okay.
Ben's in the north, way up to the
Mhm.
Carib territory. So all
Perfect.
these areas are covered by Marigot Cooperative Credit Union Limited. We
Perfect.
do
So you heard that first, if you
service.
want to join the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union and you're in any of those areas, simply give them a call, walk into the branch or branches, and they will assist you. Thank you very much for being with us this morning, Mr. Robin. I'm sure we'll have you back some other time for another promotion brought to you by the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for listening. My name is Lilia Samuel Benjamin, and I will see you next week, Tuesday. Have a great day.
Thank you.
L'argent, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. Send me money. No more hassle. M l'argent, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. M l'argent, it's safe and secure. M l'argent. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. M l'argent. It's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union Movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, M l'argent. Top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free. M l'argent. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. No more M l'argent. Download the M l'argent app today. See your credit union for more details.